Guys, welcome to this video, and this is all about how to generate leads for a service business, guys. Forget Facebook ads, forget LinkedIn ads, forget Instagram ads, right guys? You want to put your services in front of real people that are looking to buy your services. And I'm going to explain to you right now how to best do that so you get the best quality lead for your services. So guys, let's dive in. So first of all, guys, right, you probably know, if you've been following me a little bit, that I'm a massive fan of Google because of one key thing, right? And it is intent, guys. And this is why you can get quality leads for your service-based business. So here's what happens, right? You need to go to Google and you need to think about what it is your ideal customer will type in. So let's say you are a cleaning business, right? So somebody's going to go to Google and they will type in cleaning services, right? As an example. So let's say you're a cleaning business. Somebody will go to Google and they'll actually type in cleaning services. Now, what you need to do then is you will have a Google ad that will be placed on Google, and you will basically be talking about your cleaning services. So this is what makes it so powerful, guys. So have a think about your own business, think about what it is you offer, and think about what people or potential customers will be typing in. So when you go to Google, think about what it is people type in. You then go and put your business on Google. You then use intent marketing, getting in front of people that are actually looking for your services, right? And then your ad will say cleaning services. Do you need cleaning services? But do not make the common mistake that people make, which is things like no win, no fee, or free, no obligation quote, or best prices guaranteed, guys. That does not work anymore. Be clever in your marketing. Sound new and different, because things like cleaning, insurance, financial services, real estate, plumbing, most businesses have been around for years and years and years. So just be very smart about how you create your messaging. So this is what you need to do, guys. You need to go to Google, you need to create an account, you need to think about the keywords that your business offers. Put your keywords onto Google, put your ad onto Google, and that is how you are going to get high quality service-based leads for your business. If you want to find out more about this stuff, guys, where I go into a lot more detail and in depth, go and click in the description or the link around this video and go and watch the free training. So hope you found that useful, guys. So just remember, Google, intent, and sound new, exciting, and different for your services, and you will get those leads. All right, cheers, guys. And oh yes, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you find any of this content useful. All right, thanks.